Okay, we have Bitcoin. This is February 23rd, 2022. And we could just see straight into the hourly chart over here on Bitcoin that we have been following this trend for since the end of January. And now we're closing in on the end of February. And we could see where we have progressed throughout the month. We are creating a higher low. We're kind of playing on this trend line right over here, this green line going diagonal. And we have a confirmation point right here. And then we're actually on that support line again. If we could zoom in right here, we're actually testing that currently at the moment. We could see that we're a little bit oversold. We are popping, yeah, below 20 or below 30 actually. The money flow is starting to come back. VWAP is starting to push back, and we could kind of see the formation of a peak coming over here. If we could continue this out a little bit, we could see something, the 24th. Yes, that's tomorrow about 10 in the morning. Something in the morning we could get some price action over here. Maybe set some support lines, and actually we could zoom in. We could actually turn these into resistance lines because we have failed to hold them. So a little dot behind that. We will get into that. Boom. All right, yeah. So these are now resistance lines. They are acting against us as we try to get back up in the price action. I have a bunch of lines here. We were kind of in a falling wedge earlier, and as you can see, we got rejected up top over here within this larger time frame megaphone pattern. You kind of see we had this. I'm kind of jumping all around, but we had a larger time frame megaphone pattern, and yes, we got rejected right there. So since we got rejected, we fell back into this rising wedge that we had. I believe I called it falling before, but no, this is a rising wedge. And we tried to hit that support line over here and failed to hold that. See, I had a price target over here, this green line. This is my price target at around 37,000. I thought we were going to hold this, but if we dive into a lower time frame, we can see we had some support here, but kind of broke off. I remember this was towards the end of 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and there was just no support. Volume was going pretty hard down. So we could jump into the 45. We're printing a green candle over here. We got 10 minutes left into it, so it's not too strong of a candle, but it is showing some reversal on the Heiken Ashi candles. And you can see we are printing out a snake eyes. So if you can confirm this, that would be great. But volume is low at the moment, so this could possibly just play around a little bit and go up to the upside. Or if we do not maintain this volume, we could go to the downside. As you can see, this has just turned into a red candle. So we're up for some moves. Hopefully we can show resistance, or I mean support over here on this green line. If not, we could be dipping down back into this megaphone pattern. We could extend this down out over here. Okay. And then if we keep going down, we might hit a touch point around this area. Or actually, now that I'm looking at it, we could possibly extend that and trade around down over here at the 34,000, 34,500 mark. And this support line over here was drawn through previous support lines that have been tested. Well, I was speaking about this one over here, this 34,000. So we have some support on the way down, but at the same time, we are showing some volume over here at the support range. So we possibly could come up for a nice, rally up to our next resistance. We have a couple of resistance marks over here. We have this red line, the second, the third, and then the larger time frame fourth. So, we could be playing around these areas and then go out for a breakout. We'll just have to see. So we have a couple days ahead of us. Really depends on what we see in the market and the news, and we'll go from there. This was a short technical analysis just to get the point across of what's going on today and what we might be seeing in the future. So yeah, like, subscribe, and keep coming back for more. See you.